Okay, well this is Van City at one house. This is Birdie's old van that she doesn't want. Oh my goodness.
Measure this thing out and be able to tell how.
Yeah. This reminds me of Curious Carly's van when it kept on breaking down and she had to take the whole thing apart and you would see her carburetor right there in the middle. What year is this?
84.
It's an 84. My goodness. This is nice. Oh my goodness.
18 foot.
18 foot? Okay.
But you see how everything is extra wide?
Yeah.
See how they had to split the front windshield? And they slid the dash all the way to the left and then put an extra spacer on the right to fill the gap. And then on each side of the front grille there's a spacer. And then on each side of the hood there's a spacer. And they did the same in the back.
Wow.
Yeah, they split this down the middle.
That's crazy. That is so crazy. I'm trying to see. Van camper. An 84 Dodge B-350 van camper.
When the generator's on, everything in here came on. Or air, it's got air in the dash that works.
Well, yeah, she just spent $1,000 on getting it all work done.
No,
Holy.
She didn't. No, that's the previous owner.
Oh, the previous owner. Okay. Wow.
It had some new carpet in it.
Mm-hmm.
And the upholstery is really nice. All the wood in it's really good. And
How does this go back up?
Huh?
How does this go up?
It's kind of a...
Pain in the A.
No, this is a trick.
It's a trick.
Yeah, but I'm not sure what it is. It does go back up.
That might go up first, maybe. No.
I know I looked for 11. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Something's in a new lane on it.
You know.
Yeah, there's a way it goes up.
You got it. Wow, what an ordeal.
And that's a sliding table.
Mm-hmm. Which is really nice. Sit back down and I'll show you how it works. Sit there.
Wow. Oh, how cool. That is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is neat. When they were constructing all this stuff, Birdie, they had some good ideas, didn't they? But she wants to sell this, right?
Yes.
You want to sell it?
Please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
How much are you asking?
Did you get the bathroom?
No. She wants to sell this sucker. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. How nice. She has all the paperwork for it, all the dimensions, she has everything. She has all the work that she's had been done to it. It's just she does not like driving it. And it needs, what does it need? No, what does it need, Birdie?
Don't know what it needs.
You don't?
Tell that boy to start it.
Oh, it starts?
Oh, yeah.
Let me get the picture of the back part. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it just needs to be washed and ran. Cleaned up, carpeting. Look at the big furnace. Everything works in it, she said. Yeah, dual thermo by Dometic. Wow. This is like Van Central over here. This is amazing. An 84, wow. Wow. Jelly, jelly. Wow. I bet it'd be amazing to hear the stories of this sucker. I bet this has been everywhere. So what year did you actually buy it? How long have you had it?
2 years, maybe.
You just bought it 2 years ago? Why'd you buy it if you...
Well, because they talked me into it.
Oh.
Well, if you don't want it, I do. Okay, I'll buy it. You guys can
Wow.
buy it off of me. That never happened. I can drive it down the road.
Really? It's too big for me. Yeah. It's too big for me, but to someone that would really enjoy it, you know, it's a waste just to sit here.
Sell that for me.
I'm trying, but you gotta give a price.
I'll take 6.
6,000. Okay. 6,000 for 84 350 van camper, Class B. All right. We are gonna help sell it for a friend. 6,000. As is. As is. All right. See y'all later. Hope you guys like these. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this B-350 camper, and we can help Birdie sell it. And in the next video, you're going to see me and Birdie going to a new location in Indiana, so stay tuned. Have a good day, and Tina's the Outsider is out.